Tile under a refrigerator for easier cleaning and tile-visible appliance areas, but avoid tiling beneath built-in dishwashers to simplify future repairs. When deciding whether to tile under a kitchen appliance, start by assessing service access and cleaning needs. For freestanding appliances like refrigerators and ranges, tile the floor across the entire footprint so the appliance can be moved without revealing unfinished substrate and so spills do not damage exposed flooring. Measure and mark clearances so ventilation and anti-tip brackets remain unobstructed, and use tile spacers to maintain grout joint consistency from the main floor into the appliance cavity. Choose a tile and grout with appropriate slip resistance and stain resistance for appliance zones, and seal grout to prevent grease and food penetration. Reapply sealer on a regular schedule depending on traffic and spill frequency. If you will ever replace the appliance with a different model, verify the new footprint will still sit on finished tile, or plan a thin transition trim to avoid trip hazards. For built-in dishwashers and other fixed cabinetry appliances, leave the substrate finishable but accessible so plumbing and electrical work can be performed without removing tile or damaging finished floors. Common mistakes start with tiling right to the edge of cabinetry without leaving service clearances, which makes future appliance removal or repairs difficult. Leave a small gap or use removable trim to preserve access. Another issue is not accounting for different appliance weights and movement, which can crack grout if the substrate is not rigid. Use a decoupling membrane or ensure a properly prepared reinforced mortar bed to prevent movement. A third frequent problem is finishing the floor under a built-in dishwasher, then discovering a leak or failed connection. Avoid that by stopping tile at the dishwasher, toe kick, and finishing the visible area only so panels and connections can be accessed easily. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like kitchen floor tiling and appliance considerations, and we provide a discussion community where users share experiences and ask practical questions. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work by giving them visibility to project leads and community feedback.